In this video, I'm gonna show you how my second fix and flip project going. Let's check the house. This is how the house looks like right now. The roof is done. The siding is sanded. Prime is done. We're gonna put the paint, and we're gonna extend the porch a little bit. This is our living room. This house basically has a two living room. I'm gonna show you the next one. I'm thinking like putting slat wall on this wall. Let's check the dining room. We have open concept kitchen with the dining room and the second living room. This is living room, and we're gonna put the kitchen on the wall and the island on the middle. Before living room, let's check the first bedroom. It's master bedroom. Electric and plumbing is done. When you watch this video, all the windows will be replaced already. This is our bathroom. It's full bathroom. And all the way down, we have living room. Gonna keep the fireplace. Gonna make it look nice. We got garage. Now let's check the upstairs. We have basement, but there's not much to show. That's why I'm gonna keep it for later. In the second floor, we have 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And also here the plumbing and electric is done, ready for moving forward. This is second bedroom, third bedroom, and the second bathroom. And last bedroom. Now we're gonna check the backyard. The backyard is quite big for like a big family. I'm gonna clean up and make it nice. Remove this fence. The porch, we're gonna remove the old woods and we're gonna replace with the new ones. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos.